We've gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the cute bunny baby nightlight by One Fire. And here's what users have to say. If you already own this product, we'd love for you to leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. This charming bunny-shaped nightlight has captured the hearts of many, and it's easy to see why. Combining functionality with an adorable design, it serves as both a decorative piece and a practical lighting solution for nurseries, kids' rooms, or even as a comforting companion for adults who need a little extra light at night. Let's dive into what makes this product stand out and where it might fall short. The first thing that catches your eye about this nightlight is its design. Shaped like a cute bunny, it symbolizes hope, bravery, and luck, making it an ideal gift for children or even adults who appreciate whimsical decor. The packaging itself is thoughtfully designed with an upgraded gift box that includes a ribbon, allowing you to add a personal touch when presenting it as a gift. Many users have commented on how much their kids adore the bunny design, with some even mentioning that it resembles characters from popular cartoons like Bluey. This makes it an instant hit among younger children who find comfort in its friendly appearance. One of the standout features of this nightlight is its versatility in lighting options. It offers 16 color-changing modes and 5 levels of brightness, which can be easily controlled via touch or the included remote control. This makes it highly adaptable to different settings and moods. Whether you want a soft glow to help your child fall asleep or vibrant colors to create a fun atmosphere during playtime, this nightlight has you covered. Users have praised the tap functionality, describing it as both fun and intuitive for kids to use. The ability to adjust brightness levels also ensures that it can double as a reading lamp or simply provide ambient lighting without being too harsh on the eyes. The built-in 1800 mAh rechargeable battery is another feature that adds to its convenience. Once fully charged, the nightlight can operate cordlessly for anywhere between 12 to 50 hours, depending on the brightness setting. This makes it perfect for situations where portability is key, such as camping trips or power outages. Several reviewers have highlighted how handy this feature is, especially when they need to move the light from room to room or take it on the go. However, some users noted that the battery life might not last as long as advertised when used at higher brightness levels. Despite this, the inclusion of a timer function helps conserve battery life by automatically shutting off the light after a set period. Safety is always a top priority when it comes to products designed for children, and this nightlight doesn't disappoint. Made from soft silicone material that feels squishy and cake-like to the touch, it's completely safe for the kids to handle. The material has been rigorously tested for safety standards, ensuring peace of mind for parents. Many reviewers appreciated this aspect, especially those with toddlers who are prone to grabbing or chewing on objects. The silicone construction also makes it durable enough to withstand accidental drops or rough handling. Despite its many strengths, there are a few minor drawbacks that some users have pointed out. For instance, the touch sensitivity can be overly responsive at times, causing the light to turn on or change colors unintentionally if something brushes against it. While this isn't a deal breaker for most people, it's worth noting if you plan to place it in an area where it might be frequently bumped or moved. Additionally, while the charging port placement isn't a major issue for most users, some found it slightly inconvenient or awkwardly positioned. Another point of feedback revolves around its performance during extended use. While many users were impressed by its brightness and functionality during short periods of use, a few mentioned that the battery life could be improved when used continuously at higher settings. That said, keeping it plugged in while in use seems to be an easy workaround for those who don't mind having it tethered to an outlet. Overall impressions of this product are overwhelmingly positive. It strikes an excellent balance between form and function, making it both a delightful decorative piece and a practical lighting solution. Its wide range of features, such as color-changing modes, adjustable brightness levels, portability, and safety, make it suitable for various age groups and use cases. Whether you're looking for a nightlight for your child's nursery, a fun gift for a teenager's room decor, or even something comforting for yourself as an adult afraid of the dark, this bunny lamp seems to fit the bill. Many customers have expressed their satisfaction with its performance and quality relative to its price point. It's described as affordable yet packed with features typically found in more expensive products. The added convenience of remote control operation and timer settings further enhances its usability. In conclusion, the Cute Bunny Baby Nightlight by One Fire is more than just a pretty face. It's a well-rounded product that delivers on both aesthetics and functionality. Its thoughtful design and user-friendly features make it an excellent choice for anyone in need of a versatile nightlight that doubles as a charming decor piece. If you're considering purchasing this product or already own one yourself, don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback could help others decide if this adorable bunny lamp is right for them. And remember, you can find more details about this product through the link in the description.